Hi guys, welcome to Code World, and today I'm back again with a question called merge case sorted list. It's a hard level question in lead code. Basically, if you ask me, it's not that hard actually. I think it depends on the way of technique you prefer, the method you code in. That depends basically if it's an hard or a medium question. Right, so let's see the problem statement. So what they're asking is they have given an array of linked lists. There are many number of in linked list. Each linked list is sorted in ascending order. This is very important. Basically, I think this is one of the key factor that makes it a bit more less complicated. Uh, I mean, as I said, it's not that hard question. Maybe because of this factor, that is each the each linked list is sorted in ascending order. So what we have to do, we have to merge all the linked lists into one sorted list and return it. For example, if we take this example, it's 145, 1426. Each list is sorted, right? So we have to combine all lists to one list and we have to display the sorted. Right. So my approach or the brute force approach is pretty much easy. That is just add all the list into a single list and just sort it. That's one of the brute force approach. And there are other bit more optimized versions, like you can use a multi-set or you can use a priority queue. But in this video, I'm using uh, merge sort as the name suggests. Uh, I think that makes it bit more easier using that because I mean it makes it easy. You'll just see. So now let's take an example and just dry run. So basically, what we are going to do is we are taking a list. Let's name it as answer list. So what we are doing is first we are just including the first list inside this. We are adding the, let's name this as zero first and the second list, right? So we are first adding the zeroth list inside the answer table and we start iterating from first list, right? So what we do is we are basically running a for loop that is from 1 to size, right? Its size. So basically inside this what we are doing is we are comparing uh, the sorted. Let's assume let's assume that we have a helper function that is solve, or you can take a merge which gives us the result. So what we are doing is to solve of answer and list. Let's if this list is represented as L of I. If you didn't understand, I'll just explain more briefly. What we are doing is first we are taking answer, like as I said, we are including the L of 0, that is the first list inside this, and we are comparing it, we are iterating it and uh, merging each of the list. For example, first will be answer. In answer we already have L of 0 and for loop starts from 1 to its size, right? So first it will be answer and L of 1, that is 1. So we merge these two first, we merge these two first. So what will be the answer now after merging? It will be 1 1 3 4 5, right? Now this will be the answer list. Cool. And after that it goes to 2. So this, so now it will be answer list merging the answer list and the second list, right? So it will be 1126. That's pretty much easy, right? Just using a helper function and just merging each time with the answer. That's it. That's what we are going to do in this question. So let's move to the code. Um, yeah, this is basically the code. As I said, yeah, like there's a base condition. If length is zero, just return null. If the size of um, the size of the list is one, we know that just return the first element because it's already in sorted order. Just return it. Then answer variable, as I said, start from L of 0, take the first, just include the first list inside the answer variable and start iterating from I equal to 1. So first it will be like answer which consists of 145 and 145 and 134 will be merged using this solve. So if you see what is going on in solve, we are taking a two list and if it is null return B, it's a base condition and we are taking a head and we are checking if B value, if the B value that is this value, if 1 is greater than a value, then just say head equal to a, that is the small value will go to head, and head next will say uh, a next, that is 4, and b will be there itself. It's a basic merge sort technique that we use, right? So just doing that stuff and just returning the head, right? Look at, so like this method made it so easy using merge sort. You can also use multi-set or clear if you even that you can also implement that. That is easy too. So yeah, let's run this. It does work. Yeah, it does work. So that's it from today's video. If you like the content, to like the video, subscribe to our channel. Stay safe, keep coding.